What's up, investors? It's me, Gio, from Robinhood Investing with Gio. In today's video, I thought we'd take a look back at all the headlines Tesla made this week and also at all the potential future headlines Tesla will make in 2021. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Hey everyone, welcome back. Just a friendly reminder, if you enjoy content like this that is free and not hidden behind a paywall, content that is transparent and to the point, consider subscribing to my channel. Alright everyone, let's get into this.
Well, Tesla shares doing what they usually do. They're on the rise this morning. The company posting record deliveries in 2020, above what analysts were forecasting, although just shy of Elon Musk's target of 500,000 cars. The stock was last year's best performer on the S&P, of course. It was up over 700%. Its market value is approaching $700 billion this morning, Jim.
Chamath, you mentioned rocket fuel, and it's a loaded question, but nonetheless, maybe the epitome of all of this is Tesla, which is up 700+% over the last year. I think you're still a shareholder, right? Have you sold any shares? What do you make of that in and of itself? 700% in a year? Elon Musk is now the richest person in the world as of today, passes Jeff Bezos.
Yeah, it's really incredible, actually. I mean, he's somebody I've known for a really long time. I've looked up to him for a long time. And here's what I would say, that he built a great car company, and somewhere along the way, about 5 or 6 years ago, what I thought he was building was an energy company, and that eventually people would realize that climate change actually mattered. And it's taken 5 or 6 years for everybody to realize the same thing, and he's being rewarded. The world's richest person should be somebody that's fixing and fighting climate change.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at Tesla too, it's been up 17% since it joined the S&P 500 in late December, and that's bucking the trend. Usually,
what the hell did you just say?
what you see when a stock joins the S&P 500, you get a big pop, especially a stock like a Tesla or Facebook, Yahoo back in the day, and then they give it back once they're in the index after the excitement is gone, and it's a show me story. But not with Tesla. That hasn't been the case, and I think it's really what you're seeing is investors chasing some of these stocks that have been hot. They're disruptors in their industries, and the expectation is for growth to accelerate once we get past the pandemic. And so I think that's what investors are really looking for. They like those growth and momentum trades.
All right, so we just saw all the news from Tesla this week, but I thought we'd take a look also at all the potential news that could happen in 2021. So let's dive in. The first one on the punching list will be the Cybertruck, the Tesla Cybertruck, revealed in late 2029. The distinctively styled Cybertruck is meant to enter production this year, with its most powerful tri-motor variant scheduled first. Tesla has said a dual-motor Cybertruck will follow in late 2021, before the most affordable one, the single-motor version, will roll out assembly line in 2022. Another big driver this year will be the Austin Gigafactory that is almost built, incredibly enough. It's said to go hand in hand with the Tesla Cybertruck. Currently under construction, the facility will be home to Elon's wild electric pickup, and previous documents have suggested the plant could be ready to build vehicles as soon as May. That's absolutely insane. If you've seen any pictures of the site, just late last year, it was still building the foundation and moving the dirt around. So the fact that they've been able to accelerate this fast is absolutely incredible. So that's something more to look forward to in 2021. This one is a little bit more speculative, but there's a potential for the Tesla Semi to come out. This one is one of those projects that Tesla keeps kicking down the road. It's been scheduled to come out for a couple of years now, but there's always been delays. But this time it's not clear what the holdup is, but the new production site in Texas is scheduled to come to life this year. Hopefully it finally brings the electric semi to life, because this is a huge market too, guys. Big rigs are a massive market. If Tesla could be the first one to do electric big rig, that would be huge. You have big corporations like Walmart, you have Amazon, you have Target. All these big companies will be chomping at the bit to get Tesla electric semis. It's a lot more efficient, and it affects the bottom line for all those big corporations. So this one is not a sure thing, but could be another massive catalyst to be on the lookout for. Another big potential catalyst is the Tesla Roadster. It's still one of the 3 confirmed vehicles outstanding from the Tesla lineup. The Roadster seems to least likely want to be in production in 2021. unless Elon Musk did say that once it started, the Texas factory was finished, that they would start production on the vehicle. But as the article states, if it does come online, look for it to roll out in the Fremont factory in California and not in Texas. Another big 2021 mover would be the German Gigafactory. If you guys don't know, Tesla currently has Gigafactories in Shanghai. They have one in California. They have another one they're building in Texas, and the other one they're building is in Europe, specifically in Germany. This is kind of exposing them to different continents around the world. There's rumors about one possibly in India. I'm not sure. That's a lot of rumors and speculation. But the German one could give them good market share in Europe. So that's another big one to be on the lookout for. The Berlin factory, the German factory. Tesla's been manufacturing footprints in North America, Asia, and Europe. Not only will the plant in Europe supply companies electric cars locally, the factory may be tipping point for our next item. Another big catalyst that's gaining a lot of traction is the $25,000 Tesla potentially. If you guys don't know, currently the cheapest Tesla out there is around $40,000. It's the Model 3. And the fact that how quickly you could start to cut down costs and make a model that's $25,000 would be massive. And why is that? Because you would be taking a ton of market share from the Hondas, the Toyotas, around the $20,000-$25,000 range of vehicles that are sold out there, the ICE vehicles specifically. You can make an electric vehicle $25,000. That's huge. This is our final vehicle on the entry list, and while it's somewhat less expected, it's still possible towards the end of 2020, Musk began to mentioning the idea of a $20,000 Tesla vehicle. At the firm's battery day, it's not the first time he's brought up such an affordable model up, but hear us out and why we could see it in 2021. The article states, while Tesla has a track record of tardiness when it comes to meeting production deadlines, it does have an excellent track record of revealing new models years before they actually begin production. The company's plans, such as a car in 2021, could be the year we see it before it hits the road in 2 or 3 years from now. Aside from talk of $25,000 model, Musk also mentioned the idea of the electric hatchback, possibly based on the Model 3 for Europe. One thing about this is smaller cars are preferred in Europe. It's like they have smaller roads, and hatchbacks are a big thing in Europe. Very small vehicles, Fiats, are very small. Not like America. We have big pickup trucks that Americans like that, but Europe has very small roads. And there's also restrictions in Europe when it comes to having big vehicles. So the fact that you can get a hatchback in Europe, that would be massive. That's kind of like, I'm thinking that could be what they're working on, the hatchback in Europe, the German Berlin factory. That's just my guess. But we continue for Europe. That would serve the continent's drivers better. Again, probably referring to the smaller roads. It's not clear if Musk thought that the $25,000 vehicle car are the same thing or a separate vehicle. But regardless, Tesla and Musk like surprises. It's not improbable we'll get one this year. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked that video. That was a video about showing the week that was for Tesla and also the future catalysts in 2021 and beyond. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing, liking, commenting. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.